ang mga artista at celebrities na rumampa sa Preview Ball 2024. Ang taunang fashion magazines gala na Preview Ball ay ginanap sa Marriott Grand Ballroom sa Pasay City kagabi, September 6, 2024. Sa glamorosang Preview Ball, ipinakita ang mga nagagalingang designs ng mga gowns na gawa ng mga kilalang designers at mga nagagandahang personality sa pagrampa nila sa nude carpet. Suot ang mga skin tone creative formal wear. Ang magaling na aktres Catherine Bernardo, host na si Tim Yap, comedian, singer at vlogger na si Sasa Girl, beauty queen Gassini Ganados, dancer at social media personality Nyanya Guerrero, Senator Win Gatchalian at actress Bianca Manalo, actress Colleen Garcia, actor Matteo Godicelli, photographer Shaira Luna, actress Melay Cantiveros and husband actor Jason Francisco, actress Bianca Umali, singer Christian Bautista and wife Kat Bautista, journalist Ces Drilon, actor James Reid, and actress Isa Pressman. The Cruz Sisters, drag queen and impersonator Taylor Shish, Preview Editor-in-Chief March Ramos Clemente, drag performer Miss Jade So, internet personality March Marroquet, Preview Fashion Editor Nirsa Season, stage actor Alex Diaz, Cosmo Women of Influence awardee Samantha Lee, social media personality Abby Marquez, actor Lord Ramos. Samantala, binigyan ng award ang previous first ever cover girl na si Tweety De Leon as previous style icon.
As one of the most stylish women in the country, Tweety has become the blueprint for many fashion girls. Donning Armani with an endearing expression on her face, she graced the inaugural cover of Preview all the way back in June 1995. Tonight, as Preview continues to celebrate one's individuality through fashion, we honor Tweety's enduring presence in the industry. 29 faithful years later, and there's simply no denying it, Tweety, in every sense of the word, is an icon. To award Preview Style Icon for 2024, please welcome on stage Preview's first ever fashion editor, who was part of the original team behind Preview's iconic maiden cover, Mirza Sison.
Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.